Made it. It's all.
Hey guys, what's up? We're the Unbox Brothers, and today we have a pet box. We're not gonna be trying it. We have our doggy here, Romy, and he's gonna be trying some treats for us. So it's called Pet Treats. Make sure to subscribe, like, and all that stuff.
And we decided to change up the video, and let's get it started.
Yeah, we're not doing a box. This is actually, it came in a bag.
It's a bag.
And it's full of dog treats and toys. So that's what I've heard about.
Yeah, okay. Wait,
hey, Romy, stop sniffing in there. So our Romy's first snack will be, this thing is big. Whoa.
Whoa.
Tiki treats.
Okay.
Tiki treats. Oh, Romy's like sniffing in it.
Open it up.
It's pineapple pork dog treats. Sounds weird.
Okay, sit down. It's okay. You're gonna get some.
He smells them. He smells them.
Okay.
Ready?
So it's time for Romy to try his first treat.
Ugh, these things actually, I don't know what they smell like. Ugh, it smells like, it actually smells
You're
like.
gonna get some. Shh.
Layden, it smells like Play-Doh.
Lay
Layden,
down.
sit.
He is sitting.
Hold on.
Give him
It smells like Play-Doh.
Does it?
Yeah. Here, I'll let you try it. I'll let you see it or smell it.
Oh yeah, it does.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Oh yeah. Was that a good treat? Give him one more.
Okay, one more coming in.
Go double check.
Ready? Ready? Sit. Good boy. You're a good boy. Hopefully he doesn't throw up after this.
Man, this is a good treat, aren't they? I think I see a doggy toy. Look what I got next.
What is that?
Oh,
It's
wait.
called,
Come here. Shh.
it's called
Sit.
Play Rageous.
Sit.
I think I'm saying that right.
Okay, that's fine.
It does, body contains no stuffing.
Come here. Come here.
Squeak and
Good boy.
crinkle.
Good boy.
It squeaks
Okay, don't squeak.
and it crinkles. See? Crinkle and there.
He's scared of it. It's okay. Chew on it, Romy.
Guys, quick peek again. I don't know what it is though. It's like a half bear, half
Give it
mouse.
to him. See if he'll sniff it.
Sniff, sniff.
Just leave it to him. Don't chew it.
Hopefully he doesn't squeak it.
He's like, what's going on? He smells those
It's
treats.
okay.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
okay.
We got one more thing, Romy. Just for you. Okay.
One more. Okay. Now his next toy is
I don't know if it's
package.
Come here. We'll give you more treats and just you want some more treats?
And inside.
No. Stop. Stop.
What is this? It's a doggy treat popsicle.
It's a cookie, it looks like.
It's like they just put icing on it.
3 cheese pleasers. It's tells you protein, fat. Its ingredients is cheddar, Colby, and jack cheese, whole wheat flour, water, oats, cornmeal, wheat germ, butter, eggs, chicken boiling, mixed toka pearls, homemade dog cookies, gourmet
I'll just
dog.
give him a bite. I'll just let him take a bite of it. He can't even bite it.
Wait, is it a toy? Sit, lay down. No, don't eat it all at once. There you go.
No, he's starting to get it. The icing.
There you go. Okay.
Ew.
He's licking all the icing off.
There was.
Hey, no.
He doesn't really have a least favorite or a favorite because he likes.
He's trying to find the piece that fell on the floor. Come here. All
I
right.
swear those tiki treats smell like Play-Doh. It's so disgusting.
It's okay. He likes them. Okay.
Okay, so that was the end of our video, guys. Make sure, like I said before, to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so that you know when our next video is.
It's just something new to try. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you come back for our next video. Made it. It's whole.
He's saying bye.
Trying to say bye to you guys. We'll see you next time on the Open Box Brothers. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.
See ya.